Hey guys, this is Cameron, and today I'm going to show you guys the iBoard running boards and the installation on my 2020 F-150 Supercab. First impressions with the packaging was it was really thoroughly packed, and it's a heavy cardboard. You've got your two running boards and then a box full of hardware. The running boards themselves have like a high pressure kind of air pack on them, which I haven't seen before, but it's extremely durable. Overall packaging was great, so I'm going to get this stuff unboxed and show you what was all in the box. So continuing on with the first impressions of the iBoard, it's a nice lightweight aluminum. But it feels extremely sturdy. The finish is kind of a nice satin black powder coat. It looks really good. It's got two rails here that allow securing the board to the body brackets. So you've got the two running boards, the four brackets, and the T-nuts, the plastic washers for preventing that steel contact between the brackets and the aluminum body. The 8mm and 6mm washers and nuts. To complete the installation, all you'll need is a couple of ratchets or sockets, 13mm and a 10mm. So we'll go on to the installation. Alright, so the first step is just attaching the brackets to the body. So before you do that, you'll need to apply these plastic washers. I sprayed a little bit of fluid film against the body of the truck just to kind of further prevent any kind of corrosion behind here, but it's probably not completely necessary. So I've got the plastic washers in, and I'll line up my bracket on the studs. Put my steel washers on, and secure everything with the nylocks provided. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the back bracket. The next step is just feeding these T-bolts into the channel, and on the Supercab you'll just put two in each channel. And you can get them kind of lined up where the bracket is on the truck. So we're just going to get the T-nuts close to where the bracket is so we can kind of just fit them through the holes in the mounting bracket. The next step is just securing the running boards to the brackets. We're using the 6mm washers and nuts, and there's 2 on each bracket. So I'll get those secured, and then we can tighten everything up and we're good to go. I did spend a little bit of time kind of figuring out where I wanted to set the running board. You have adjustability in and out by about 1 inch, and then forward and back by as much as you want basically. So I kind of evaluated that and set it where I wanted it before I got under the truck. So I'll get this tightened up, and then that's pretty much one side done. Much the installation of the iBoard running boards, probably similar to most other running boards that are made for the F-150. It's kind of a nice OEM appearance, but they're nice lightweight aluminum. They have a good finish that kind of blends in with the rest of the factory finishes on the truck. Overall, pretty happy with them. Difficulty level for installation was a 1 out of 10.